is Larry Hook, and I would like to welcome you to Hook Tire and Service.
Welcome to Hook Tire Seneca.
Welcome to Hook Tire Archdale. How can we help you?
Hi, welcome to Hook Tire Huntersville. How may we help you? Please join me for a moment and meet part of the team that for 28 years has been happily striving to provide you the service you deserve.
Hi, here at Hook Tire and Waxhaw, we use state-of-the-art equipment. My name's Angel Labrador. How can I assist you?
Hi, here at Hook Tire and Waxhaw, we specialize in providing all type of tires and service. My name is Mark. How may I assist you?
Here at Hook Tire on Archdale Drive, we will find you the perfect tire to suit your budget or needs. Why don't you stop down sometime and see me? My name is Clint.
Service on Archdale Drive. We'll make sure that we check all your brakes, suspension, and steering components thoroughly every time. My name is Kevin. Stop by and see us.
At Hook Tire, we provide quality service at a fair price. My name is Jeff. Come by and see me.
Hi, my name's Steve. Hook Tire is supporting our troops with every tire sale from Goodyear and Dunlop tires through December. Come by and see me.
Hello, my name is Eddie. Here at Hook Tire South Boulevard, we provide professional and courteous service. Y a la comunidad hispana son bienvenidos. Come by and see us.
If you're a customer, thank you for your business, and thank you for trusting us with your auto repairs. If you're not a customer, I hope to see you soon.
I'm Diane Hook. Thanks for visiting Hook Tire. Find us at hooktire.com.